We're on a road trip through northern BC to Yukon and Alaska, sleeping in our SUV every night. One of the easiest free camping spots to find are rest areas that allow overnight parking. We've arrived at a rest area just outside of Whitehorse, and I think this is where we're going to spend the night. We're just going to sit here for a bit, kind of observe the traffic. It already looks like there's an RV here, maybe a couple of other trucks that are spending the night. We've watched, it looks pretty good. We're going to set up now and have dinner in the back. We don't set everything up completely right at the beginning because we want to be able to see out the windows. Now we take off the cargo net. We move our extra water to the front. We cover up the back window. Put the window screens with covers on the side windows for ventilation. Our cubes go on the clothing shelf. Rest areas like this often have pit toilets. In fact, that's one of the big things for them, but they don't have anywhere to wash, so it's good that we have water and soap on hand. It's time to eat. Sometimes we cook something easy, but tonight we just got some store-bought sandwiches. We try to keep dishes to a minimum, but there's always going to be stuff to clean. We've still got lots of daylight left, so let's play some cribbage. It's 9:40 and it's still light out, so we're gonna take some time and read. It's 11 p.m. and it's still light out, so we're gonna get ready for bed anyways. Have to use the right technique in case my dental hygienist watches. Now that we're getting ready for bed, we're gonna put the window screens on. And the final step is to roll out the bed. For a lot of people, it might be a bit easier than it is for us. Like, they just pull up and seem to go to sleep. But we think we have a little bit more of a comfortable night than they do. Even though we're in the car, we like to lock the door at night, just in case. Getting changed with the low headspace is a little bit difficult. It involves some interesting yoga poses for me. And I'm getting used to it and getting better at it, but I'm not going to show you what it looks like. Whether we're at home or we're on the road, Em can't fall asleep without a movie on. Rest areas aren't always the most restful, but it's light out and it's time to get up, so we're going to get up and get on the way. We aren't in a super rush this morning, but we do have a schedule, so we're going to stuff the bed and roll it. Put everything back in drive mode. I like to have a coffee, so I make a quick one before we go. Gotta brush your teeth twice a day. Take the window covers down and put back on the cargo net. We got to do a last minute check before we leave, like we do at every campsite. While we're driving today, we're going to recharge everything that we used last night. And that's it. That's what it takes for us to sleep at a rest stop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.